In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cell styles in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to apply cell styles. This can be any spreadsheet you're currently working on. Cell styles are a quick way to make your data look more polished and organized without having to manually change things like font, color, borders, and number formatting one setting at a time. Once your workbook is open, select the cell or range of cells you want to format. You can click a single cell if you only want to style one area, or click and drag to highlight multiple cells if you want the same style applied across a larger section. It's a good idea to decide this first, since the style you choose will be applied to whatever is selected. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. This is where most of the common formatting tools are located, so if you've used Excel before, this area will probably look familiar. In the Home tab, look for the Styles group. Inside that section, click Cell Styles. This opens the Cell Style gallery, where Excel gives you a variety of built-in style options that you can apply instantly. You'll see that the styles are organized into different categories to make them easier to browse. There are styles for good, bad, and neutral, which are useful for visually flagging information. There are also styles for titles and headings, which work well when you want labels or section headers to stand out. You'll also find themed cell styles, which are designed to match the overall theme of your workbook. Another set of options focuses on number formatting. These include formats such as comma, comma with no decimals, currency, currency with no decimals, and percent. These are especially helpful when your spreadsheet contains financial values, totals, or percentage-based data, and you want those numbers to display consistently. If none of the built-in options fit what you need, you can also create your own. In the Cell Styles menu, click New Cell Style. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to define your own formatting. This gives you more control if you want a custom look that matches a specific layout or reporting style. As soon as you click a style, it is applied immediately to the selected cells, so you can instantly see how it looks in your worksheet. If needed, you can always select a different style afterward to change the appearance. And that's it. That's how to add cell styles in Excel.